This home in Twin Mills might be just what you're looking for. 9036 Twin Mills is conveniently located in Eagle Mountain, Saginaw School District. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with office, 2-car garage, built in 2016. It is conveniently located just across the way from the community pool. Built by D.R. Horton in 2016, it has only been owned by one owner. It has fresh paint and new carpet throughout. When you first enter, you will find 2 secondary bedrooms and the secondary bathroom on your left. They have good-sized closets, convenient upgraded handles instead of the knobs. Real tile in the bathroom versus just an insert. Even has the convenient built-in niche for your soap and shampoo, as well as this nice arch with upgraded light in there. Not only does it have cabinets, but it actually has drawers. And then you have another bedroom here. This room was just freshly painted and also has a good size closet. You'll notice the 24 by 24 tile throughout the living space with carpet in those bedrooms. When you continue down the hall, on your right, you have the garage. You have a 4th room, could be used as a 4th bedroom or an office since it doesn't have a closet. Nice tall windows if you notice. And then you don't have to go through the laundry room to get into the garage. For a lot of consumers, that is a pet peeve. They don't want to see all of their laundry stuff when they're looking to go into their garage. Freshly painted, has extra storage in here. And you have your Home Pro system, which is pre-wired, makes it convenient for internet, security system, all of that. And then here is the garage. Nice and bright. It has your electrical box, obviously, sprinkler system, gas water heater, and a whole home water shutoff. I really appreciate these because you're able to turn off the water when you go on vacation, but still have your sprinkler system run so you know that the house cannot flood. I had that happen to one of my neighbors when I was growing up, and it caused all kinds of damage, and they had to live in a hotel for like 8 months. As you enter into the main living dining kitchen here in the back of the house, really open, warm, welcoming, lots of natural light. You will notice these black appliances that have gas, 5-burner gas stove here, upgraded backsplash with the tile. And then also the cabinets are bumped up, which gives a lot more illusion of height and makes the kitchen not feel nearly as builder grade. You also have beautiful granite countertops and a deeper dual sink. Easy to watch TV while you're doing the dishes. You also can see the dining area here with big windows looking out on the covered back patio. And this house also has a walk-in pantry here in the kitchen. I'm a big fan of how these cabinets can be adjusted. You can adjust the shelf height, which is not a standard with all builders. Also, the cabinets have nice hardware. As far as pulling them out, they feel nice and smooth. We're now into the dining area, and you'll notice that there is an overhang on that island, so you could put bar stools. Plenty of space in this living room to entertain, have a sectional or a 3-piece set, as well as electrical for your flat screen TV. You have an extra light here leading into the primary bedroom wing of the house, as well as your HVAC control. As I said, the whole house has been freshly painted. You have window treatments throughout. This primary has a ceiling fan, and then all of the carpet was just replaced as well. Heading into the primary bathroom, you have upgraded tile on the shower, as well as a super deep garden tub, privacy glass there for the window, and then you have dual sinks. For anyone that deals with claustrophobia, there's no room around the WC, so you don't have to be too closed off. And then a really ample size walk-in closet here. Let's head out to the backyard. Notice this covered patio, and it had actually been extended by the owner, so you have double the entertaining space out here. You have fence with the metal poles, and you don't have any 2 stories really looking into your backyard, so it still feels quite private back here. Also, they had electrical professionally added with a couple extra breakers if you chose to have any toys or special lighting out in this entertaining space back here, as well as a doggy door. This is 9036 Twin Mills Boulevard. 1668 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an office, offered for $310,000. If you would like more information about this house or about living in Fort Worth in general, hit the subscribe button or send me a private note.